The magic song. Lily was a girl who loved music. Every day after school, she listened to her favorite songs. She liked pop music and dance music. One sunny afternoon, she went to the park with her friend Tom. They took a picnic basket and a small radio. At the park, they found a nice spot under a big tree. Lily turned on the radio and music filled the air. They danced and laughed. Suddenly, something amazing happened. A little bird flew down and landed near them. The bird listened to the music too. Lily and Tom were surprised. The bird started to sing. It sang a beautiful song that matched the music from the radio. The sound was sweet and happy. Lily and Tom clapped their hands and danced even more. "Wow, this is a magic song," said Tom. "The bird sings with the music." Lily smiled. "Yes, it feels special. Let's dance with the bird." They danced together under the tree. The bird sang louder, and other animals came to listen. Squirrels, rabbits, and even a little fox joined the fun. As the sun began to set, the music played on. The park was full of laughter and joy. After a while, the bird flew away, but the magic of the music stayed in their hearts. Lily and Tom packed their things and went home, still humming the bird's song. They knew they would always remember that special day in the park, where music brought everyone together.